Hey guys, it's me Lizzie and welcome back to Little House and Homestead. Today is day 15 of my 31 edible perennials, and today I have for you the globe artichoke with the USDA hardiness zone of 8 through 11. To grow a globe artichoke as a perennial, know that most varieties survive the winter only down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you want to grow them as a perennial, you'll need to give them protection during the winter months. The flowers could be cut or dried, and while edible, they are not considered as suitable for eating as Scolymus group artichoke. Instead, the leaf stalks and roots are blanched, cooked, and eaten as a vegetable. You have the leaves on the outside, the choke in the middle, and the meaty core called the heart. The heart is edible, but the choke is too fibrous to eat in globe artichoke. All but the innermost leaves are tough, and you have to scrape them with your teeth to eat that whiter, tender part. Start by picking the hardiest variety possible. Northern Star, Violetto, and Grande Bure are good choices. Allow the plants to grow all season long, though they'll likely not produce a flower stalk the first year. To overwinter the plants, cut the plants down about 12 inches high after the first light frost strikes. Surround them with a wire cage about 3 to 4 feet tall. Fill the wire cage with about a foot of compost, then add straw or fall leaves until the bin is full. Cover the entire bin with a tarp and make sure you pin down the edges to keep it in place. When spring arrives, remove the mulch about 3 weeks before the last expected frost. For artichokes grown as a perennial in the north, flowering stalks will be produced in the early spring, beginning the second year. After harvesting the spring crop, cut the flowering stalks to the ground to stimulate a second harvest in the fall. Thanks for watching Little House and Homestead. See you tomorrow.